Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video we've got this BMW E90 key, and this is the non-serviceable key with no access panel for the battery. So I'm going to change the battery inside the key. What we need to do is first take the key blade out, put it on the side, and then as this is non-serviceable key, we need to cut open the key casing. What I've cut it using a Stanley knife all around the edge, carefully, all around there, 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 and there. So I've used a mini vise on my workbench just to hold the key so I can cut it open, and that took about 5 minutes. You can also use a little router tool with a blade to cut through the casing, but you need to be careful. Basically, using a Stanley knife is dangerous. So once the casing is cut, we're getting the key open. So basically you can see where I've cut it. That's the other side. Taking the motherboard off with the buttons, put it on the side. So we've got the motherboard and the battery crimped there. What we need to do is, using a soldering iron, we need to desolder. Let me show you. We need to desolder these two joints, and then we'll have the battery and the retaining bracket off. Because the battery is crimped on a little retaining bracket and I don't have the tool to uncrimp it, I'm basically gonna desolder the whole bracket off together with the battery, and I'm gonna purchase a new one. They're like 4 or 5 quid online, and that comes together with the new battery and the retaining bracket. So once again, we need to desolder these two joints. Once we've got the new battery with the retaining bracket, we just have to solder it back on and put the key back in the casing. You can rather get a new two-piece casing, or you can use a super glue to glue this one back. Putting it back is a really simple process. Once it's glued, or using a new casing, put it back together. In my case, I'll be waiting for the new battery to turn up, and I've ordered a new plastic casing for a few quid. Then put the blade back together and you're good to go. Basically, this is for all the models that's got a non-serviceable key. Basically, it's a key with a lifetime battery, and it's designed to charge itself from the car. But in this case, this is a 14 years old car and the battery is completely dead. First solution is to get a new key programmed with the main dealer, which is an expensive option. So in my case, I'll do this. Okay, hopefully you liked the video. Please subscribe for my channel, like and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.